In a politically charged move believed to be aimed at delaying potential internal opposition, President E.D. Mnangagwa is barred Vice President Constantino Chiwenga Loyalists from attending the ZANU-PF Congress. Satapinda mashukano mudanyogwa panapa aiwa tichiona kuti vakomana hapana kana kutogomera Mushe naye Congress tiona vakomana valoya kuna VP Chiwenga vachimisiwa kuti subscribe like out now the bell kuti timu hapana pamuna umudanyogwa mchinzi. ZANU-PF's Director of Information, Farai Marapira, downplayed the controversy, stating that the reduction in the delegates is not intended to curtail participation. Marapira emphasized that representatives attending the Congress are still fully mandated by the people, following rigorous consultation across all levels of the party. According to him, the decision ensures that the voices and the priorities of the grassroots remain at the forefront of the party's decision, despite the reduced physical presence. The reduction in delegates does not mean a reduction in the people's input. These representatives are tasked with bringing back resolutions and outcomes to their respective communities, ensuring that the democratic structure of ZANU-PF remains intact, Marapira said. Do mashukatona mashukata na Marapira atara mashukuta aiwa kulimita kwatakata vanhu aiwa akumbo limit the input tichiona kuti ma supporters aiwa VP Chiwenga kuexclude kwa YTSCC yaonekwa se strategic maneuver Mnangagwa kuti akwanise kumaintain the control and prevent any challenges to his leadership. Do mashukatona tikabatira pana pationa kuti aiwa chiti kuichi chetika zviri very tragic rainskona kuti aiwa pana pa vakomana vanyasi kunojamukirwa vanoti kuti kwanise kuresista kana kwanise kuavoida this resistance avangati valimitei tudze mafundo enye muri kudipa musoro pechitiko chipinda kume section yedu aiwa musano subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.